Hey everybody. Pocono Pete Show here, I guess, is what we're going to be calling ourselves.
Right.
It's going to be, that's how it's going to be, I think, always a show. Not a car. They sent us plates for a car.
Now we can hear old clickety-clack. New clickety-clack, I should say. Short sleeves today.
Summer's coming.
Yeah, feels good. I think our followers will definitely get to know this entrance ramp.
Great to be on the road, even if it's just an errand day.
So you got all your paperwork?
No, but I hope so.
Got to be prepared at the DMV.
Be prepared or go home.
Right, exactly.
I want us to transfer these plates to a wreck trailer. And I just talked to Janine because the reason that they're wanting to switch them is because they got the blackout plates, but it doesn't say wreck trailer on them. And they really wanted to say wreck trailer at the bottom, and I guess the blackout wreck trailers don't say they say 10,000 lakes, and they pull it with a semi type truck tractor vehicle, and they don't want to. They have yeah, because they have more issues at the weigh-in stations when it doesn't say wreck trail.
No, you do not. It was a success, I think. We'll see when all the new plates come in. My husband opens the door for me. I feel like a queen. Well, that was fun. The day at the DMV.
2 hours.
2 hours we were there?
Yeah.
Wow.
They were very nice.
But they're super nice and so helpful, and yeah. So they
Can't
were
complain.
great.
They were
Can't
very
complain at all. Nope.
Gave us the wrong plates
Yeah.
originally. So the plates need to say recreational vehicle. So now we can't have our highway to hell plates now, I guess.
It's sad.
So-
that part's sad, but
Yep.
we'll make it work.
Okay, closing the door. So bad.
Goodbye.
Close the bells.
Now we have bells going. And a squeaky belt. That'll be next on the list. What is our next errand going to be?
You tell.
Going to the bank. This could be a, what, bank heist?
Not to get money, to pay our
Give money
mortgage payments.
away. All right. It's good this way. I love that whistle. Well, we could go around the block, turn around. I don't know. No, this is well, of course, getting in might be. Forgot your mask for the bank.
What's that?
You forgot your mask for the bank. There was a head on my boobie.
You can lock the door down if
Okay,
you need to.
I will lock it.
Just won't stay. If I lock it, it won't.
Right. All right.
See you in a minute.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Wait,
Uh-oh.
gotta look cooler.
There we go. We don't have any extra.
It's a little slow today. Everybody's running in low gear today.
Oh. Well.
Well, it's alright. Peterbilt.
Waiting. Yep. Big hand signal. That's not the one you think. Wow. Wonder what they're doing there. Like a callous slip. I don't know what that is.
Robot.
Do I try? Bun me? Bun me. So lunch was good? Though we did have what was considered a mild winter. And we spent a little time in Florida in January, which was actually, you know, good and bad. Good because it was so beautiful there, and bad because we had to come back and work.
This is.
Made it back to, I was going to say base camp, but I guess it's just home base. These errands are done, and who knows what will be for tomorrow.
That's a wrap. 10-4. Roger Dodger.